My name is Samuel Shobola. I work in the construction industry. I manage the equipment for the company I work with. I got to know about Arnergy through a friend and an in-law. She was shooting while we were putting up this place. He came across and said, "Oh, he has a solution that could help with our lighting," and then we got hooked on it since then. In terms of installation, it's been maybe about 15 months that it's been installed, but full use capacity has been about a year, exactly a year. It's been durable, like one would like it. I enjoy 24 hours lights. My freezer is on it. The fridge is on it. All the lights are on it. Pumping machines, a lot of fan, televisions, and a couple of things. It's been durable, really. It's been giving us 24 hours energy, coupled with the fact that we have some light from the national grid. So we don't know the number of hours, but I can say for sure that we're having 24 hours light. 24 hours light is a huge change in Nigeria. Reduction in electricity bill, because if you want to have 24 hours light at the rates at which the national grid charges, you're going to be paying a lot more. But with this one, I can reduce my cost of electricity. In terms of electricity, I would say yes, definitely. It has. If you have 24 hours lights and at the rate at which the charge is about 56 naira per kilowatt, running that 24 hours is a lot of money. You could be running to about 300,000 a month. But with Arnergy 5000, I can decide to switch off from the grid line and hook onto the solar of energy. So that is a real plus for me. I think a combination of all would be good, but in terms of noise, far better than generator because of the noise. And two, in terms of the cost, what is important in Arnergy 5000 is the sunk cost. Once you get that running, you enjoy the benefit of it a couple of times, unlike the national grid that you have to be paying every month. So I think it's better. I will. I've been doing that, and I'll do that again and again.
Contact Arnergy today and enjoy our reliable energy solution. Arnergy, delivering reliable energy solutions on your terms.